Hello guys and welcome to another episode of Attorney B's Cards and Collectibles vlog. This is Attorney B and today guys we will open not just one but two value blasters of the newly released 2025-2026 NBA Hoops. So do you want to see the contents of these boxes? Let's find out! Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today guys, we will open not just one but two NBA hoops blaster boxes, or better known as value boxes. So in every box, we can get 7 packs and 8 cards per pack for a total of 56 total cards in every box. So find the retail exclusive green hoops parallel and look for case hits block by block and boom shakalaka. Okay, we can also get hoops, hyper signatures, green hoops parallel, and others. Okay, so we'll open these two boxes. So good luck to us. Hoping we can get an autograph or a case hit, or we can get a rookie card lang of Cooper Plug or Fountain Opal. If we can get the rookie card, okay na. So we'll open this one first. So 7 packs. Okay. 2, 4, 6, 7. Okay. So let's see which box is better. So we'll open this one first. Wait, hindi rin. Baliktad. Yung nakagad. So, Toby Brea RC. It's a holo. Ba't yun? Puro holo ba lahat ito? Let's see RC. Brandon Ingram. Dyson Daniels. Victor Wembanyama. Nice. So, lahat ng magaganda ring itatabi rin natin. Jason Tate, Ivica Subak, Chris Murray, and Reed Shepard. Okay, so mukhang lahat room, no? Room type. Okay. So, kala ko parang paper-based lang. Nice. Next, we have Derek White. Yung colors yun. Dorian Finney-Smith. Josh Hart, Najee Marshall, Drew Holiday, Jake Crowder, Joan Bellinger, RC, and Asar Thompson. Okay. So we've got another RC. Ang RC doon, tingnan natin baka meron na pa tayong na-miss na RC. Okay, so I think it's like 1 RC per pack. Okay, next pack. Oh, this is the green parallel. Dylan Harper. Hardwired. Nice. So we've got a parallel. Dylan Harper. Parallel insert. Nice. Hardwired. That's our first hit of the break. Jake Crowder, Treyman, Kobe White, Aaron Gordon, De'Aaron Fox. Ooh, what's this? NBA All-Stars. Carl Anthony Towns. Is this number 292? Nice. It's like a short parallel. Rui Hachimura. So, iyan na natin sa Cat. The second All-Stars from the NBA champion New York Knicks. The other one is Jalen Brunson. Oh, what is this? Nice. Kasparas Chakushonis, Miami Heat. So, nasa una rin talaga lahat, ano? So, another insert. Is this numbered? No, not numbered, but it's an insert nonetheless. So, we will upload it. We have Noah Penda. Tia McNeely. Oh, so hindi lang pala one per, ano kanina, yung third pack natin walang rookie, pero ito dalawa. Michael Bridges, Chaz Lanier, another rookie. Pero yung mga latak ah. Sam Hauser, AJ Green, and Aduthier, another rookie. This time for the Los Angeles Lakers. Come on. One Cooper lang. One Cooper flag. This is another green. All-star. Sino to? From the Phoenix Suns. Uh, Devin Booker. No, it's Ryan Dunn. Okay. Ryan Dunn. Green parallel. Okay, so this is 297. Okay. Ryan Dunn, green parallel. Harrison Barnes. Patrick Williams, Jaden McDaniels, Bruce Brown, Andrew Nemhart, Jace Richardson, and Stephon Castle. So we have one rookie here, Jace Richardson. Okay, so we have two packs left. Come on. Give us a nice one. Oh, another green rookie. Great Powell. Okay. And we have it's like a Mojo, Gary Payton. So Drake Powell RC. Green, Gary Payton, Mojo. We have Paul George, Zach Keely, Matisse Tybal, Kyle Filipowski, Jalen Wells, and Chris Paul. Okay. And for our last pack, another Green Pacers highlights. Tyrese Halliburton. That's a nice card. So this one is highlights 262. So it's a subset. Tyrese Halliburton. The one where he made the winning shot, the 3-point winning shot, May 21, 2025. Okay. Jordan Hawkins, Buddy Hield, Cason Wallace, Donovan Mitchell, Damian Lillard, Thomas Sorber, and another All-Stars, Anthony Edwards. Thomas Sorber, RC, and another highlights All-Stars, Anthony Edwards. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 All-Stars, 1 Mojo, 2 inserts, and RCs. Okay, no big card there. Okay, so hoping in the second pack we will get a nice card. Okay, so again, so 7 packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Well, hoping we can get a better card here. Orlando, Anthony Glapp again. Anthony Glapp. Hawaii, Zachary Risache, Larry Nance. All-Star, Ryan Dunn. Russell Westbrook, Jamal Shed, and Jamoran highlights. So 1 highlights and 1 All-Stars in that pack. Okay. Next pack. There's no RC in that pack. So this one is an RC. VJ Edgecomb, come on. Nice. Hardwired. VJ Edgecomb. RC Auto, RC Insert. Hardwired. Nice. So earlier we got, I think in the other box we got one hardwired green. So who do we got? Yeah, Dylan Harper and BJ Expo. The number 2 and the number 3 in the draft. So kulang na lang na ni Cooper. Andre Drummond, another All-Star, Nikola Jokic. Sana we can get yung Luka Doncic na All-Star. Onyeka Okongwu. Highlight, Shadon Sharp. Okay, Aaron Nesmith. Jalen Brunson and DeAndre Hunter. Another All-Star. So sabi ko nga, dalawa sila, Kat and Jalen Brunson. Right. Next pack. Another, the Bucks. The Buzz. This one is Hugo Gonzalez. Yeah. Hugo Gonzalez. Another insert. The Buzz. Kasi tapos puro Biso. Kasi nagbabuzz yung Biso Buzz. There, second insert. Sadiq Bey, Kristaps, Jalen Williams, NEW. We have Stephen Curry. All-Stars. Michael Porter and another All-Stars, Darius Garland. Okay. So we have 4 packs left. Come on. Our first green, Brandon Clark. Jalen Suggs, Grayson Allen, Jamir Watkins RC, Zach LaVine, John Tonje RC, Tyrese Halliburton highlights, and Chris Middleton. Okay. Highlights. John Tonje, Jamir Watkins, and Brandon Clark. May his soul rest in peace. Brandon Clark died last month on an apparent overdose. Paul Anthony, another green. Paul Anthony. And we have a backup card, so this must be an autograph. Nice. Donovan Klingan, DeAndre Ayton, Nick Smith Jr., Anthony Black, Darren Holmes. We've got this one first. It's Tristan Da Silva. Is this the same? Parang different to. Parang siyang solo foil or something. So Tristan Da Silva. And what is this? So we will make it backwards. I don't know if this is an auto, pero Mojo siya. No, it's not an auto. Ano lang, nakabaliktad lang. Nikola Jovic. Na parang ganito kanina, yung Gary Payton. Pinakaba lang tayo, guys, pero wala pala. Nikola Jovic, Tristan Da Silva, and another green, Paul Anthony. Kaya ko, maganda yung box na yun, yung pack na yun. Kaya ko may auto, wala pala. Baliktad lang. Okay. Last 2 packs. Malay nyo, dito makabaw tayo ng auto. You never know. Sengun green. Okay. We have a Sengun green. Jason Tate. Kyrie. Cam Jones RC. We have Jaylen Brown. Jalen Williams. Alperen Sengun and Cam Thomas. So Jalen Brown, All Stars. We have a green Alperen Sengun and Cam Jones RC. Alright, last pack. Come on, last pack mojo. We need this one. So we've got Tyler Hero. So we have something here. A green. Hoops. Signs. Oh, so this is an autograph. Ito, may autograph na talaga tayo, guys. Indiana RC. Rookie auto of Talon Peter. Number 12 of 75. Wow, who's Talon Peter? Pero at least, di ba, nakakuha tayo ng auto. Green auto, Talon Peter. Kasi ang hirap rin makakuha ng auto most probably. Hoops Rookie's first signs. Talon Peter, Indiana Pacers. Alright. So, ano pa to? 2 of 75. So, 2 of his jersey number. Naglaro ba to, guys? Talon Peter. Pero first sign, so okay na rin. Mali mo gumaling, diba? So, we beat the odds of getting an autograph. Reggie Marshall, Wemby again. Second time around. Tapitin tayo kay Wemby. Darius Garland, CKP, Dame Lillard, Dame Time, All-Stars, and LaMelo Ball. Alright. So, just a recap. So, we've got a lot of base cards. Ganda ng hoops ngayon. Lahat na siya. Tapos, we've got our RCs. So, we had one RC green, pero lahat regular RCs. We've got the different All-Stars and highlights and the green RCs of other players. Oh, ito pala iba. Ito parang basketball. Yung kay Ryan Dunn. So, aside from the green, there's parang basketball, green basketball. Okay. We've got two Mojos, Nikola Jovic and Gary Payton. And ito parang ano siya, Wave, Tristan da Silva, although hindi naman magandang player. And our best hits of the break, the two inserts, okay. So the Buzz, Hugo Gonzalez and Kasparas Jakushunis. We have Hardwired. Ito maganda kasi green, Dylan Harper, and the red, VJ Edgecomb. At least number 2 and number 3 sa draft class. And we have our hit, Talon Peter, 2 of 75 autograph. I don't know lang kung naglalaro ito, pero at least we got an autograph. So guys, if you want to see more contents like this, please do like and subscribe to Attorney B's Cards and Collectibles Vlog. Till the next episode, bye!